was that literally, your idea is not going to work because it takes more than an hour to recharge the battery. Good. Whose side are you on? Special interest? The whole point of the idea is to limit people's screen time. And your idea, basically not their idea, but it's obviously a robot set up by AI, by special interest to comment on my channel, because nobody ever sees my stuff on my channel. So it's obviously somebody from there. So an AI bot from special interest says the reason why your product wouldn't function is because it doesn't take, let's say, 1 hour of workout to recharge the battery. It might take 8 hours. Good. I don't care if it takes a whole week. However, the whole point of the system is to keep your kids working out, right? To challenge themselves to work out and to charge the battery through that. And this, as a byproduct, means they have less screen time to rot their brain. I mean, it's a win-win. Take the win. They don't know how to take the win. So that's what I'm saying. And I'm sure that Eli the computer guy and all the other folks will attest to this. The struggle is real. If you try to build anything that increases people's lifespan, reduces the chance of them dying in a car crash, a power source that doesn't go boom, anything that could resolve problems like cleaning air, water, and soil like on a big scale, it's just going to fail. So that's why so many people and so many kids, they create products that are the opposite of that, right? That make your life worse, that destroy things, and then they use the money that they make from that to hopefully make other products that never make it anywhere anyway. Because the special interests always destroy all these products. So yeah, it's I don't know what to say. But it is what it is. It is what it is. And I've proven it. Because the one time I create an idea and I say I have a new invention, nobody ever takes the time to see my videos or watch or comment. But the one time that I have a really cool idea that brings out to the forefront technologies that don't go boom when they're powering something, right? And these, again, as I said before, it's all technology that's been out there forever. It's just that nobody in the general market uses these things, which is to use natural body heat or heat in general and turn that into electricity, which doesn't blow anything up, and use vibration to do that as well. These products have been out there for, I don't know, maybe 100 years or even more, but nobody wants them out because it's much better to make things go boom and kill you. Better, faster, cheaper. Just saying, it's the truth. You know you can handle the truth but it's just sad. These people are twisted, and they're just twisted. Pure evil inside. And we'll never have a better future unless we can stop these people from constantly destroying all of the good things that should be out there, all the technologies that should be out there helping you and me. And I don't care, like I'm 40 years old. That's, my life's done. But the future generations should have these technologies at their disposal, but they won't let them out. They won't let them out onto the market. Sad truth. Thanks for watching, and I guess I won't see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. And by the way, since I can't push the ball forward, this had to be like a two video thing instead of a one video thing, because one, the battery is almost dead on the camera, and two, I can only make 5-minute videos with the Ricoh theta. I don't know why. Why did they put this limit in? It's horrible. Anyway, I'm planning to make a really cool t-shirt here, using this here pattern that you see. Look at this cool pattern over here. Does it remind you of a SpaceX? Anyway, I'm going to make a cool t-shirt with this. And hopefully it'll be 3D printable technology too. Maybe somebody could do that too. It'd be really cool. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye, folks. Time's up.